Let me ask you an honest question. How many times you have been in a conversation knowing exactly what you wanted to say in your head but choose to stay silent instead? You sat there, you smiled, you nodded along like you had nothing to add, but inside your mind a complete intelligent sentence was already formed. You didn't say it because the moment you were about to open your mouth, a little voice whispered, what if your pronunciation sounds weird? What if you choose the wrong preposition? What if they judge you? So you swallowed your words. You let the moment pass. Your English is not broken. Your relationship with making mistakes is broken. You have spent a year treating English like a high school exam where every mistake cost you points. But in real life is not an exam. Real life is about human connection. Today, we are going to break the habit of overthinking once and for all. You are going to learn practical 4 steps daily framework to speak English fearlessly, naturally, and with total confidence. Starting right now in your own room. Core mindset, accuracy versus fluency. Before we jump into the practical drill, let us destroy the biggest trap in language learning, the perfectionist trap. Most learners believe that to be fluent, you must speak with 100% perfect grammar and zero accent. This is completely false. Think of communication like driving a car. If you stop the car every 20 seconds to inspect whether the tires have dust on them, you will never reach destination. When you pause for 10 seconds in real time just to remember whether to say in July or on July, you are stopping the car. The listener doesn't care about the tiny scratches on the bumper. They just want to know where the car is heading. Messy, continuous English always wins over silent, perfect English. Stop aiming for absolute perfection. Start aiming for unstoppable momentum. Step 1. The 60-second stream of consciousness drill. Let's talk about our first daily exercise. I call this the stream of consciousness drill. Here is how it works. Every afternoon, set a timer on your phone for exactly 60 seconds. The moment you press start, you must talk out loud without pausing until the alarm sound. You can talk about anything you see or think. I am sitting on this chair. The weather feels very hot today. I need to finish my work. I don't know what to say next, but I will keep talking. Yesterday I watched a film. It was interesting. Here is the strict rule of this drill. You are not allowed to pause for more than 2 seconds. If your mind suddenly goes blank, do not freeze in silence. Say, I am searching for the next thought and keep moving forward. This drill forces your brain to break the dangerous habit of stopping for grammatical validation. It builds mental reaction, speed, and spontaneous output. Step 2. The explain like I am 5 method. Why do people freeze in the middle of conversation? Because they try to express high level, complex thought using advanced vocabulary words that they do not fully own yet. When you express a complex thought in a native language, your brain effortlessly uses simple building blocks. But in English, you try to sound like an academic textbook. Here is step 2, the simple explainer drill. Take a complex topic like artificial intelligence, your career, climate change, or why you enjoy your favorite hobby. Now explain that exact topic out loud as if you are speaking to a 5-year-old child. Instead of technological advancement are drastically restricting contemporary business operations. Say new computers help people they work much faster every day. When you master explaining deep ideas using simple, clear words, you will never freeze again. Simple English delivered with conviction will always sound more authoritative than complex English delivered with hesitation. Step 3, the opinion reaction drill. In real life, people don't just ask you what you did today, they ask what you think about this. Most non native speakers panic because giving an opinion requires immediate emotional conviction and structured thought. Here is how you can train this alone. Open any news site or social media feed. Read one headline. Immediately speak out loud for 2 minutes giving your raw opinion. Anchor your thought using these 3 simple starter phrases. In my view, the main reason to believe this. On the other hand, some might argue that. Using these 3 anchors daily, you will build an automatic cognitive framework. When someone asks for your perspective in real meeting or social conversation, your mind locks into structure effortlessly. Step 4, the 2 minutes daily voice note. The final step is single most transformative habit you can build. Record yourself talking for 2 minutes every single night. Do not post it on social media. Do not show it to anyone. Keep it in your private voice memos. Answer 3 quick prompts. What challenged you today? One thing you learned or appreciated today. What you intend to accomplish tomorrow. Then do this slightly uncomfortable. Listen back to it. Do not listen to judge or criticize yourself. Listen like an athlete coach. Notice where you hesitated. Notice the filler words you repeated. When you maintain this recording over 30 days, you will witness a dramatic transformation in your vocal tune, rhythm, and speaking authority. The closing call to action. Fluency is not a personality trait. It is a daily decision how to show up consistently. You do not need to move to another country. Do not need an expensive private coach. You need simply to step into your room every day and give your own voice permissions to be heard. Start right now. Close this video, set a 60-second timer on your phone and ask your first streamer of consciousness out loud. If you found value in this lesson, hit the subscribe button, give this video a like and drop a comment below telling me what is the one topic you are going to practice talking about today. Stop overthinking. Start speaking.